Namaste. Let us learn how to do a SuryaNamaskar. Firstly, keep your feet together, knees together, and then stand straight in Tadasana. If you have knocked knees, then you can keep your feet slightly separated with your second toe straight to your knee and straight to your hip. Standing position is very important. How you place your legs is absolutely important. Let us step to the front of the mat, keeping your feet together, rolling your shoulders back, lifting your spine up, keeping your neck straight. Palms to the heart center, Namaskar Mudra. Spread your fingers out so that you can spread the energy to the universe. First step, inhale, take your hands behind your head, stretching your elbows out, dropping your shoulders down. Inhale, take a back bend, reach back as much as you can, lifting your chest up. There is no pressure on the lower back. Squeeze your abdomen, pull your thighs, kneecaps up. As you exhale, bend forward, reaching down to the floor. Keep your knees softly bent so that you can keep your spine straight. Spread your fingers on the floor. Slowly, if you can, straighten your knees. Extend your chin down towards the floor. You feel the stretch on your calf muscle, on your hamstring and the glutes. Bend your knees. Take your right leg back into Ashwasanchalanasana. Keep your left knee and heel in straight line. This is very important. Stretch your leg out. Extend your right leg back. If you are a beginner, you can even keep your right knee down on the floor and then lift your chest up, looking forward. Or lift your knee up, staying here for a deeper stretch. As you exhale, take your left leg back into Dandasana. A plank posture. Here, do not drop your hip down. Your hip has to stay lifted, keeping your shoulders and the palms in a straight line. This has to be in a straight line. And your hip and the shoulder in a straight line. No dropping, neither lifting. From here, exhale again by dropping your knees, chest and chin on the floor. Slowly inhale, scoop up, lift your shoulders up, lift your chest up, and extend your chin forward, lifting up. Place your palms on the floor. There is no lifting from the palms. Use your abdomen muscles, use your core to lift from your core. From here, exhale into downward dog. Keep your knees softly bent and lift your hip up. Your tailbone should keep lifting up, your spine extending. Push your shoulders towards the knees. Spread your fingers out. Keep lifting up. If you can, drop your heels down. Keep lifting the tailbone up. Slowly inhale. Take your right leg forward. Generally, we get stuck here. So use your right hand, push it forward. Keep your right knee and heel in a straight line. If you want, you can drop your knees down or lift up and extend your stretch. Lift your chest up, look forward, like a horse. From here, take your left leg forward. Feet together if you want, or you can keep it separated. Bend your knees softly, place your hands as you exhale, straighten your knees into Padahastasana. Slowly inhale, coming up, hands extended behind your head, reach back into Ardha Chakrasana or Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale into Pranayamasana. And slowly relax into Tadasana. This is one side of the SuryaNamaskar, that is on the right side. Now let us try and do the left side as well. And palms to the heart center, Pranayamasana. Inhale, hands behind, Hasta Uttanasana. No pressure on the lower back. Exhale down. Reach down to Padahastasana. Bend your knees, take your left leg back, Ashwasanchalanasana. Right leg back into Dandasana. Exhale down to Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana or Parvatasana. Left leg inhale forward into Ashwasanchalanasana. Right leg forward, squeeze down into Padahastasana. Inhale, up, take your hands back into Hasta Uttanasana. Back to Pranamasana. Drop your hands down and take a deep breath. So that was one complete full round of a SuryaNamaskar. Hope you guys enjoyed the practice, and it's a wonderful sadhana, so please keep practicing. Namaste, happy Omyoga, and keep planting smiles.